Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm making a quick video on how to thread a needle on a sewing machine. It's going to be muted completely all the way through because I got my dryer running in the background and I figured the dryer noise would flood out the video anyway. So when you thread your needle, if you have to change your needle, whatever way your bobbin points, the flat side of the needle has got to go the same direction as the bobbin. So as your bobbin runs front to back, put your needle flat side in, back on the back side. If your needle runs left to right, then you're going to put your flat side in on the right side. And then you thread your needle. And I don't know how well it shows up, but I show you to go through that spiral down there by the needle, and then how to run your thread through the needle. So, if you have any further questions on this, let me know, and like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. More coming your way. Later, guys.
Why am I looking at you?